Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. We all love emojis. We use it in our everyday life. We use it in our WhatsApps, we use it in our emails. So why not PowerPoint? So today, let's learn how to insert emojis in PowerPoint presentations. So please stay tuned. To begin with, go to the Insert menu. And when you go to Insert, in here you see an emoji keyboard option. So you won't be seeing that option in your presentations. So let me show you how to get this first. Under Insert, you have an option called Add-ins. So click on Add-ins and then click on Get Add-ins. So when you click on Get Add-ins, you will see a list of numerous Office add-ins which can be added to your PowerPoint. So under that, the second option that you see is emoji keyboard. So just click on add. When you click on add, it will ask you whether you want to accept the terms and conditions. Click on continue and then it will get inserted. I'll click on cancel because I've already inserted that earlier. Once you click on add, you have this option of emoji keyboard. Now click on this option. You will have the emoji keyboard loading in a moment. Alright, so you see the emoji keyboard like you see it on your phones. You have all the emojis available of different categories. So you can insert them directly onto your PowerPoint slide. You don't have to create any emojis by drawing a circle or any smiles. So it's all there ready-made available for you for just click and insert. So before we insert, let me show you the different formats of emojis which are available again. So the first format, if you see here, is the text format. So when you are typing any text in PowerPoint, you might want to insert a text-like icon, text-like emoji. So if you see here, I have a sentence written here and a textual icon, you can say, is inserted, an emoji. So go to the text format if you want to insert any text-based emojis. So if I click here, for example, it will insert this emoji in this icon, in this format. And the other formats available are the different resolution, different pixels. For example, if you need a smaller size, this is a smaller size. If you need a bigger size, this is a large size, and XL and double XL, and so on and so forth. So for example, if you want to insert a big size emoji, so you can just click on the large size and then just type in. You can also search for the emojis, just select this and it will get inserted. Okay, then you can select this and drag it and place it wherever you want. So this is the quickest way of inserting emojis rather than creating it from scratch. So the options again are the text-based emojis, which you can combine it with your sentences, with your text. And the other format is the bigger emojis, which are available to directly insert. And you can have it as per your convenience, as per the size in your presentations. So that's it guys, hope you liked the video. This is a very simple video of inserting emojis in your presentations. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.